Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn computer basics to advance step by step. This video is perfect for beginners who want to understand computers from the very beginning. By the end of this video, you will know what a computer is, types of computers, parts of a computer, hardware and software, operating systems, basic computer skills, internet basics, email, use computer security, advanced computer knowledge. So make sure you watch the video till the end to get complete computer knowledge and practical tips. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine that processes data and gives us useful information. Computers are used almost everywhere. In education for learning and research, in offices for data entry and management, in businesses for accounting and billing, in hospitals for patient records, in banks for transactions, for online work and freelancing pit. How computers work, 3 main steps. How computers work, 3 main steps. 1. Input, entering data into the computer, e.g., typing in Word. 2. Processing, the computer, processing the data, calculations, formatting. 3. Output, the result is displayed on the screen, e.g., your typed document. Mini example. When you type "Hello World" in Word, the keyboard sends input, the CPU processes it, the monitor displays it as output. Types of computers. There are 4 main types of computers. Desktop computers. Commonly used in homes, offices, and schools. Large, stationary, very powerful. Laptop, portable, can carry anywhere. Battery powered, smaller than desktop. Tablet, touchscreen device, great for reading, browsing, and drawing. Supercomputer, extremely powerful, used for scientific research and weather predictions. Example, NASA supercomputers. Tip: choosing the right computer depends on your needs, budget, and portability. Main parts of a computer. A computer has several essential parts. CPU, central processing unit, known as the brain of the computer, performs calculations and processes. Monitor, displays output. Example, watching YouTube, editing documents. Keyboard used, editing documents. Keyboard used to type commands and text. Mini tip, learn basic shortcuts. Control+C, Control+V. Mouse controls the pointer on the screen. Left click, right click, scroll wheel, RAM, random access memory. Mouse, temporary memory that helps computer run fast. Hard disk is your storage cabinet. Hard disk or SSD stores all data permanently. SSDs are faster than traditional hard drives. Hardware versus software. Hardware, physical parts of the computer. Examples: keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU. Software, programs and applications that run the computer. Examples: Windows, Microsoft Word, Google Chrome. Analogy: hardware equals your body, software equals your mind. Miniology: hardware equals your mind. Operating system. An operating system, OS, is the main software controlling the computer. Popular OS, Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Why OS is important: manages hardware, provides interface to open programs, organizes files and folders. Demo idea: show desktop, taskbar, start menu, File Explorer, basic computer skills. Every beginner should know these skills. 1. Turning the computer on/off properly using Start menu. 2. Creating files and folders to organize data. 3. Copy and paste shortcut. Control+C, copy, and Control+V. Paste. 4. Dealing files, delete key. Or recycle bin. Mini exercise for viewers. Create a folder called My Practice. Open Word, type Hello World. Save file inside folder. Copy it to desktop. Internet Basics. Con. The internet is a global network that connects computers worldwide. With the internet, we can search information on Google, watch videos, send emails, attend online classes, work online classes, work online popular browsers, Chrome, Edge, Firefox. Tip: always be careful of suspicious websites and pop-ups. Email Basics. Email, electronic mail, allows sending messages and files online. Create a Gmail account, send a test email with attachment. Professional tip: use proper subject lines, salutations. Computer security is essential. Times use strong passwords. Don't download unknown files. Install antivirus software. Backup important data regularly. Mini example. Backup your documents to a USB or Google Drive. Mini example. Backup your documents to a USB or Google Drive. Advanced computer knowledge. You can move to advanced skills. Installing software. Troubleshooting minor issues. Using cloud storage like Google Drive. Online collaboration tools like Zoom, Google Docs. Basic programming. Hello World. In Python, online freelancing, Fiverr, Upwork. Tip: learning these skills can help you earn money online. So today, we learned computer basics to advanced in detail, like this video. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, share with friends who want to learn computers. Practice all the steps we discussed, and your computer skills will improve fast. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.